Another day of Vlogmas. I'm sorry if you can't see me, it's getting a little dark now. Well, we're filling back out. We are in Atlanta at the Botanical Garden. Look, you can see part of the skyline right there. Can you? Maybe? No, maybe not. There is a, what is this, Shirell? The Garden Lights 10th annual event. Oh yeah. So we got our tickets ready. It was $21 for a kid, $24 for adult. It was $5 parking if your car has 4 or more people in it. So we are going to, our time doesn't start for like another 10 minutes. We're going to dive up there to see how long the wait is.
You lock the door.
And yes, I will lock the door. And there goes the Telluride. Oh yeah. All right, let's go find out where we have to go.
Does my mask look like it's upside down?
Let's see what the people say. It just looks really big. I'm ready.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so we just made it in. I hope you guys could hear me.
Don't fall.
Let's do this, people. All right, hope you guys can see me. It's a little dark out here. It's a little chilly, tad bit chilly, but we're making it work.
You said not to bring our coats.
I didn't say not to bring our coats.
You said, where you going? New York? It's not gonna be that cold.
London told about she found something, so we're down a path. He's taking us down B's. So there's no real like destination, I don't think. There was like a fork in the road. We went to the right, and at that point we're just kind of winging it. They do have a map, but my hands are kind of cold, so I don't feel like looking at the map, and it's kind of dark, so you can't really see. But the night view of the G7X is amazing, so I'm happy we got this back. So we're walking through a canopy of some sort. Looks really nice. They got the ET music playing in the background. Well, they did. I don't know where it is now. But we're moving and grooving. We went through the little walkway, brought us back in one big circle. So we're gonna keep on going. So it took us maybe about 15 to 20 minutes to walk through the whole thing. Sheree just got here, so we're gonna wait for her, take a couple pictures, and then we'll head up. But I would definitely recommend coming on an off day, because the off day is half the price. On the weekends, it's like $50 a person. So plan accordingly if you can. Dress warm because it's cold out here. The mask, this thick cloth mask, actually is pretty good at keeping my face warm. Either my breath is hot or the warm mask is warm. I don't know, but I'll give it all the credit to the mask. But we're moving now. Alright, so our time at the Botanical Gardens Light Show has come to an end. If you guys are interested, definitely check it out. I would definitely recommend coming on an off day and not spending $50 a person, because that would get kind of pricey. And dress warm, because it is chilly out here. And bring some money, because there's a bar, there's hot chocolate, there's a lot of stuff. There's wine, there's toys that light up for the kids, so be prepared to spend some extra money. We didn't buy anything, so I can't tell you price wise, but thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.